Hi, I'm James Norton for Chow.com SUPERTASTER. I am in the car today, headed off to Wendy's to try their 3 new signature sides.
Circling the Wendy's.
Hi, welcome to Wendy's with my first please.
I'd like a side of the mac and cheese, the sweet potato, and the chili cheese fries. Alright, we're back with Wendy's signature sides. My interest in these sides really come down to the fast food wars in this country, and let's just quickly kind of review some of the totally arbitrary strengths of 4 of the leading fast food chains. You got McDonald's. They do a killer breakfast and really serviceable coffee that they've tried to push into sort of the Starbucks realm of the business sector. You've got Sonic. They've been doing some really interesting and I think successful new gourmet hot dogs. And they have funny ads with sort of a slapping noise at the end.
Coney and Tots.
And there's Burger King. Well, geez, I don't totally know off the top of my head. We'll get back to this one. And then there's Wendy's. They've got the new Dave's Hot and Juicy Premium Hamburger, which I just tried it again. It actually reminds me of a serviceable attempt at an In-N-Out burger. And now, of course, they've got their new Fancy Pants sides. So are those really a factor for Wendy's? Are they going to help Wendy's compete? Let's give them a try. I'm going to start with the mac and cheese. Very tender and soft, not over-salted. The cheese is mild but palpable. It's comforting. Now let's try the sweet potato with the cinnamon sugar butter on it. It's nice. I mean, there's an actual cinnamon kick there. Maybe there's too much sugar, it's a little too sweet, but you can kind of mix it in with the potato as you choose. Sweet potato itself, natural looking, unremarkable, not bad. I might order it again. Finally, let's try the chili cheese fries. The fries retain their shape and a little bit of the crispiness, which is nice. The meat and beans and fries and cheese are all in balance. I'm not getting a ton of salt out of this, which I really like. These are really nice. I mean, this could be by itself. Could be an entree. For $2.60 each side, the signature sides are a little expensive, but they're actually delivering, I think, a fair bit of value. So, Wendy's, kudos. This stuff may be a little bit of a game changer for you. For Chow.com SUPERTASTER, I'm James Norton. Thanks for joining me.